everybody. Something happened to the article, to my computer. It froze up. So just want to have a look at this one. So start. If it's installing again, I have to do another day. Ah, right, it's installing again. Right, what is it doing? Is it installing or continue with the installation? I hope so. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, it's installed, is it? (1 minute and 44 seconds). What's this? Oh, I have to reinstall it. Okay, let's try again. I'll leave it like that. Leave it like that. So no Wi-Fi device detected. Do not connect to the internet. Okay, I'll just leave it like this. Hopefully it get installed. Alright. I don't know this one. Alright, don't install it then. So does this really work if I don't install it? Because last time it happened, because I'm still uploaded on Facebook. I'm on YouTube, sorry, and Facebook. It looks beautiful. Oh, it's probably installed. Okay, I hope so. Oh, what's this? Ah, right. I'll just leave it like this. Probably a demo or something, but it does look beautiful. So minimize that one. Expand this. Yeah, it does look beautiful. So I hope it's installed. What's this? Okay, where's the internet? No Wi-Fi adapter found. So I'll probably have to download a driver for the Wi-Fi with the default computer. Yeah, with the computer system. But anyway, it looks like it's working, but I'm not too sure if it's installed or not. So I'm not going to install it. But anyway, hope you like it. You can try it. Anyway, saying thank you. Okay, everybody, that's uploaded onto YouTube. So is it finished with Facebook? No, it's finished. So anyway, this looks beautiful. Okay then, got to power off, shut down. So hopefully in the article it works now. I hope so. But anyway, I will try a different version of Unix and then maybe Mac. So I'll do it another day. Thank you. So that's it, everybody. The Greek Orthodox. Thank you. I'm really happy. Thank you.